Hi, fellow SDs and truthers. It's Carrie from Truth Treatment Systems. And first, I would just want to let you know that with any order you place now, you will receive 5 of the mini slip gels, which you know I truly love, and I'm sure you already love from microneedling, as it is lipophilic hyaluronic. Also, we use it extensively and have had amazing results with dermaplaning. And don't forget, you can also use this as a massage medium. And I'm going to show you something else I love to do with it. So, really, all you need to do is take the little 5 ml jar and measure out your dose. You do not need a ton. Even if you're doing a massage, people think that they need a ton of product, but they really don't. This is just a little bit over a dose, and you'll see it just goes and keeps going. And the amazing thing is you leave it on and you've got that beautiful hyaluronic plumping the skin. Also, my favorite thing to do is take one of my favorite products, Vitamask. Here's my Vitamask. Whoop. And again, you do not need a lot. Normally, when I'm putting a Vitamask on, I use about a teaspoon. With this, I'm actually going to take a little bit bigger than a dose, like almost a double dose. So almost like that pearl size. And I'm going to mix it with just a dose of the slip gel. And what you want to do is just combine it together in your hands. And this is the most amazing massage treatment, as well as you're getting all the amazing benefits of Vitamask in itself, and it smells like heaven, and your clients are going to love it. So feel free to use this as a massage medium. I am going to be all glowy and hyaluronic now. So get your order into us or your sales rep, and you'll get 5 of the mini slip gels for you to use, or you can even share with your clients if they're doing anything like gua sha at home or anything like that that you've led them into. So reach out with any questions, reach out with your orders, and look forward to speaking with you all very soon. Thanks.